I don't like this sketch. I said that in my last video. I don't like the way it looks. But then, after I finish this, I redeem myself by drawing this sketch. And this one seems to flow out of me much easier than this one that I was fighting. And the reason that this upsets me so much is because I know better. I know what I did wrong. And in this video, I'm gonna explain to you what I did wrong. I understand why I made this mistake. And I'm gonna help you understand how to not make this mistake yourself as an artist when you're starting to draw. Hello, and welcome to Mind Vomit. So what is it that I didn't do that made me so unhappy with my drawing? I didn't warm up. When you're gonna do a drawing, you should warm up. They say to take 30 to 45 minutes to do a warm up, to get the creative juices flowing, to kind of get loosened up and get in the mood to draw.
Wait, what?
Baby, when I woke up this morning, I felt like there was a sea storming inside of me.
Inside of me.
Inside of me.
And baby, I think I'm capsizing. The waves are rising and rising.
And baby, I think I'm capsizing. I think I'm capsizing, and the waves just keep rising.
Rising
Rising.
and rising.
Rising.
To be honest, it works. Every time I warm up first before drawing, I do some doodles, I just draw some shapes and create new characters. Every time I do that, my drawings that I actually want to do are better. They're always better. They're more creative. So I hope that tip helps you out. I hope that solves the problem for you. Follow along and just watch what I do as a warm-up. Little doodles here and there, just different ideas, just for fun. No real purpose at all. But I hope this tip helps you out. Thanks for watching.
Yeah. Who am I? Someone that's afraid to let go. You decide if you're ever gonna let me know. Yeah, suicide if you ever try to let go. I'm sad, I know, yeah. I'm sad, I know, yeah. Who am I? Someone that's afraid to let go. You decide if you're ever gonna let me know. Yeah, suicide if you ever try to let go. I'm sad, I know, yeah. I'm sad, I know, yeah. I gave her everything, she took my heart and left me lonely. I think broken hearts contagious. I won't fix, I'd rather weep. I'm lost and I'm found, but it's torture being in love. I love when you're around, but I fucking hate when you leave. Who am I? Someone that's afraid to let go. You decide if you're ever gonna let me know. Yeah, suicide if you ever try to let go. I'm sad, I know, yeah. I'm sad, I know, yeah. Who am I? Someone that's afraid to let go. You decide if you're ever gonna let me know. Yeah, suicide if you ever try to let go. I'm sad, I know, yeah. I'm sad, I know, yeah. Someone that's afraid to let go. You decide if you're ever gonna let me know. Yeah, suicide if you ever try to let go. I'm sad, I know, yeah. I'm sad, I know, yeah. Who am I? Someone that's afraid to let go. You decide if you're ever gonna let me know. Yeah, suicide if you ever try to let go. I'm sad, I know, yeah. I'm sad, I know, yeah. Yeah. Spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah. Shorty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, Maya. Spotlight, moonlight. Nigga, why you tripping? Get your Mariah. Shorty look good in the moonlight. the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so by mine. Feel like I'm destined. I don't need no Smith and Weston, no. But who you testing? Fuck a scantron, here's your lesson, no. Knifing and testing. Taking shots at all your brethren, no. Feel like I'm damaged. You fucking playing it. Call my phone, make me feel right. Don't you know you gon' make it feel right? Call my phone, make me feel right. Don't you know you gon' make it feel right? Spotlight, moonlight, nigga, why you trippin'? Get your Mariah. Shorty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, mine. Spotlight, moonlight, nigga, why you trippin'? Get your mood right. Shorty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, mine. Spotlight, moonlight, nigga, why you trippin'? Get your mood right. Shorty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, mine. Spotlight, moonlight, nigga, why you trippin'? Get your mood right. Shorty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, mine.
Thanks for watching, and if you like more creative content like this, check out the next video, and then the one after that. You should just watch them all, because there might be something you might learn.